Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about passive income and what are the ways by which we can achieve this income without actively working for it. So what exactly is this passive income? Passive income means earning money from sources other than your salary, like rental income and interest from FDs and so on. Apart from these traditional ways, we also have many new ways by which we can earn passive income, and one such way is known as P2P. So what exactly is this P2P? In P2P, we have two types of people. One are lenders and others are borrowers. Normally, people sitting on idle money provide loans to potential buyers identified by the service providers, which are regulated by RBI. And once these borrowers take your money, they pay you interest for your money on daily basis. The returns can be high as 12%, and it may differ from product to product. Here, everything looks good, but we also need to consider the risk. Main risk factor here is with the borrowers. What if they won't pay back your money? For this reason, we have RBI certified P2P NBFCs like Liqui Loans and Faircent. These service providers will help you identify the potential borrowers with good credit score and other parameters. Still, now we have discussed about P2P. Now let's see what are the different products currently available in the market where we can invest some money and earn some good returns from it on daily basis. Two such amazing products are 12% Club and Credmint. 12% Club gives you around 12% returns per year, and the good part is that they pay you on daily basis. I will keep the link in the description. Please go and check it out. Next is Credmint, which gives you around 9% returns per year. Same as 12% Club, Credmint also pays you on daily basis. For Credmint as well, I will place the link in the description, so please go and check it out. One issue with Credmint is that not everyone can join in it, because only people with good credit score are allowed. So please keep that in mind if you want to invest in Credmint. It's also a best practice to diversify your investments in different products, because in case if one company goes bankrupt, then other investments will save you. What I mean is that if you have the chance to invest in both the products, then equally put your money in both of it, so that if any one company goes bankrupt in the future, other company will save us. All other details are clearly mentioned in their FAQ section in their website, so please go and check it out. You can find those links in my description. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.